By April of 2026, Uber had a massive problem. A single AI tool blew through their entire engineering budget in under 120 days. Uber's own CTO confirmed the budget blowout on the record. The engineering department gamified the adoption of Anthropic's Claude Code, setting up internal corporate leaderboards that incentivized 5,000 developers to push their AI usage to the absolute limit. This line chart illustrates the Agentic AI Paradox. The descending line shows the unit price for individual AI tokens plummeting by over 60%. But the intersecting curve shows total corporate invoices skyrocketing at an exponential rate. The financial panic is spreading fast. Over at Microsoft, the Experiences and Devices division is actively banning their engineers from using Claude Code. They are redirecting staff to their internal platform, GitHub Copilot CLI, to force vendor consolidation and cap these runaway expenses. These autonomous AI agents have shifted into a massive financial liability, draining enterprise ledgers through unbounded recursive loops. To understand why these bills are breaking the bank, we have to look at the math beneath the surface, specifically the technical difference between a standard chatbot and an AI agent. When you ask a standard chatbot a question, it executes a single, isolated transaction. The system reads your prompt, generates a response, and stops. That process usually costs a fraction of a cent, consuming maybe 50 to 200 tokens. This diagram shows how an AI agent operates differently. An agent works in a continuous, multi-step loop. Every time it takes an action, like reading a file or testing code, it appends the new results to the history and sends the entire context back to the model. Step 1 sends 10,000 tokens. Step 2 sends the original 10,000 plus 2,000 new ones. Step 3 hits 14,000. Keep playing this chart forward. By step 50 of an autonomous debugging session, a single developer isn't just asking 50 questions. They are burning millions of tokens, repeatedly paying for that exact same, constantly expanding wall of text. This compounding math explains how a developer, leaving an unvalidated recursive loop running on tools like Cursor, managed to rack up $4,200 in API fees over a single weekend. Because these workflows scale non-linearly, they consume computing power like an unbounded utility, and that makes the traditional flat-rate software pricing model mathematically impossible to maintain. The tech industry knows this, which is why we are seeing a massive structural pivot. Vendors are quietly abandoning the unlimited, all-you-can-eat enterprise plans. The clearest example arrived when GitHub announced a complete pricing overhaul for its advanced agent features, taking effect June 1, 2026. They are moving to strict, usage-based billing powered by GitHub AI credits, a system tied directly to actual token consumption. Early tests of this new billing model gave corporate finance departments severe sticker shock. One developer saw their projected monthly bill rocket from $67 to over $966. Chief financial officers are panicking. They budgeted for these AI tools the same way they budget for fixed seat licenses like Slack or Zoom. Instead, they are dealing with unpredictable, compounding utility bills that behave like massive cloud compute outlays. Without immediate structural intervention, this unbounded consumption will quite literally bankrupt engineering departments. To stop the bleeding, tech giants are establishing a completely new discipline, AI FinOps. They are fighting back against the math with 3 primary technical guardrails. First is prompt caching. Enterprises are actively forcing developers to store their system instructions and massive repository maps in a cache. This prevents the agent from rereading the entire codebase on every turn, reducing input token costs by up to 90%. Second is model tier routing. Companies are implementing programmatic filters that automatically divert basic, repetitive grunt work to ultra-cheap, lightning-fast models. They are strictly reserving the heavy, expensive models for complex logic architecture. Third, they are installing hard caps to kill the dangerous internal culture of token maxing, where employees push consumption to its limits. Companies are placing strict $50 per day soft caps on individual developers. Even with these technical fixes, AI infrastructure is projected to consume nearly 30% of total IT budgets by 2027. This creates a zero-sum game. To pay for the machines, CFOs are actively harvesting savings from their largest cost center, human payroll. This pressure is reshaping the workforce into a two-tier system where augmented teams replace larger, non-augmented departments to justify the rising cost of the technology itself. In the United States, the forecast shows extreme occupational churn. By 2030, an estimated 12 million workers will need to transition into entirely new roles, with massive displacement heavily concentrated in lower-wage, routine administrative and service jobs. Contrast that with Taiwan. Here, Agentic AI is acting as a critical lifeline. The country is staring down a massive structural labor shortfall, projecting a deficit of 480,000 workers by 2030. For Taiwan's advanced manufacturing sector, the labor mix is actively shifting upward. They desperately need highly specialized AI-augmented engineers simply to maintain their current global output. Then there is Singapore's unique approach. The government is buffering this displacement through a heavily state-managed push for an AI-fluent workforce. They are leaning aggressively into tripartite reskilling programs to ensure productivity gains don't trigger structural unemployment. Ultimately, Agentic AI does not wipe out global work. It forces a massive, expensive, and highly disruptive reallocation of how, where, and by whom that work gets done. So the real question is your company currently adopting Agentic AI tools? If so, you might want to go check your API logs before your entire engineering budget vanishes. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines.